Hey kids! Today we are going to be drawing and colouring a crab. We're starting by drawing the eyes, 2 circles, sticks just like lollipops, the pupils. Right, now for the body. Sideways oval shape. Now going for the claws. 1 on each side. Brilliant. A smile. And let's go for 3 legs on each side. Bit of decoration. And then we'll thicken up the border. Almost there. Get ready for some colouring. Okay, let's go for red. Crabs can be different colours, and we're doing a red one. Use your imagination. So today we're painting, but you can choose however you wish to colour in your crab. A slightly thin-tipped paintbrush because we've got to go delicately in between the back lines and around those little oval markings there. And the mouth, of course. Do you know how many different species of crabs there are? There are more than 4,500. Whoa, that's a lot of crabs. Most of them live by the coast, obviously. And did you know that they're super old? They showed up during the Jurassic period. That's when dinosaurs were around 200 million years ago. You can get teeny tiny little crabs that are ½ an inch long, or you can get huge crabs with 12 feet between its claws, like the Japanese spider crab. They have this hard, what we call an exoskeleton, and it protects the soft tissue underneath. And did you know that crabs walk and swim sideways? They eat meat and plants, so they're omnivores. Now we've almost finished painting in the legs and the upper half of the body. You'll see why we've left the bottom half empty. Because of this, we're going to paint it orange. It gives a lovely 2-tone effect and kind of looks like the crab's tummy since it's a slightly different colour. It's these subtle things that make a big difference, you know. And just sort of blurring it in a bit. There. We're going purple for the eyes. And there we have it. Hello, kids. Something smells fishy to me. That's because today we're going to learn how to draw fish. An oval shape for the body, a little heart for the mouth, a curvy line to separate the face, a fin on top, an eye, a fin underneath, and a tail. There you go. Now once you've mastered this fish, you can draw several others. We're going to do a couple more, varying sizes. Give it some dimension in the picture. It will look like some are either smaller or larger, or some are further away from you or closer to you. You can make them slightly different to each other if you want. Give it some variety. And if you want to practice more at drawing this fish shape, then you just need to pause the video and do 1 step at a time, no need to rush. Right, there we go. We're ready to colour. Colouring in the first fish with a lovely blue colour. Just doing the back half of the body. Using a lovely fine-tipped pen. And yellow fins. Wow, look at that colour contrast. Fantastic. Red face. So you can go as bright or neutral as you like with this. I love bright colours. There we go. And a pink mouth. An orange tail. So we've got 5 colours in one fish. Go crazy, why not? We're going for a different blue for the backside of the second fish. It's more of a aquamarine colour, you could say. An orange face instead of red. So using similar colours. Brown fins. A purple tail. That's it, almost there. Brilliant! A pink mouth, but brighter pink than the first fish. This last little fish, we're going to do a peachy face, a purple backside, orange fins, a green tail, and a red mouth. They've got some similar colours which kind of link them all together, but yet they're all slightly different as well. Drawing some bubbles around each one's mouth now, because don't forget they're underwater. We'll colour those in blue. Excellent. Wow, this is looking amazing. Give the fish some scales by doing little sideways curvy lines. Using a black pen to do this. There you go. Perfect. Hey, let's draw and colour in a turtle. We're going to have loads of fun with this. You start by drawing the shell, which is sort of a semicircle, then the head, a nice big eye. Colouring in the pupil, a smiley mouth. Let's do the legs. And the tail. Some toes. And the pattern on the shell. Some sort of hexagonal shapes going on there and a couple of rectangles too. Some triangles. Right, now let's darken up the border to make those lovely colours stand out. Ooh, this is going to look really cool, I can already tell. Okay, starting with orange for the main body of the shell, so we're just using a colouring pen here, but you can use paint or whatever you wish. And we're going around the shapes. We will do those in a minute. Excellent. Did you know that turtles live all over the world? They can be found in many different climates. Some of them live on land and some in the sea, and some live on both. Let's do purple for the first shape. And pink for the next one. So we're going to do a multicoloured shell. Ooh, it's going to look so cool. Red next. Turtles are some of the oldest animals around. If you've never had a turtle, you might not know just how long their lifespans can be. In general, turtles evolved millions of years ago, and as such, they are among the oldest groups of reptiles. As pets, certain species of turtle can live to be 10 years old or even 150 years old. That's right. So we've got a lovely rainbow multicoloured shell here, and now we're going for a lime green for the face and body. I am loving this fantastic array of bright colours. Have fun with your turtle. You can do any pattern you like on the shell, why not? You could do spirals, hearts, stars. We're going for blue legs. And some yellow toes. I'm loving this. Good job.
Hey kids! What do you find in the sea? A fish? A whale? A shark? Let's make a shark today. Let's make an eye. Its fin, a curvy line, and its white, sharp teeth. Don't forget to make the bubbles. Let's give a dark outline to our shark. Let's use light blue for the mouth area. I love the color blue, don't you? Let's use a dark blue paint color for the body. Isn't it looking wonderful? Ooh, I love painting. And it's almost done. Time to paint the fins. Let's draw the shark's gills with some lines. Little dots in the bubbles. Ta-da! Our shark is ready to swim in the sea.
Hey kids, how are you today? Would you like to draw a caterpillar? Brilliant! Starting with a nice squiggly line. And then all you need to do is draw loads of circles. A big one for the head first of all. Some smaller oval shapes for the eyes, eyebrows, antennae of course. Little baby circles there. A smiley face. And now the body. Some legs. And some small circles inside each of the bigger circles for the body. And we're done. Ready to paint. Ooh, what colour shall we do first? Yellow. What a great idea. Yellow spots in a yellow bottom. Let's do the face yellow too. Using a small tipped paintbrush, carefully painting around the features. Staying in between the black lines. Have you ever seen a real caterpillar in your garden? I love them, don't you? Fantastic, nearly there. Just around the mouth. Side to side, small strokes. Up and down. And we're done. Well done. Time for some pink for our mouth. And a red tongue. Yippee! Right, let's paint the body. Let's go for pink first. The first segment can be pink. It matches the mouth, you know. And the antennae, why not? Then green. Wow, what a bright colour that is. It really stands out. What colour should we do next? How about red? What a great idea. Do you have a favourite colour? I bet you've never seen a rainbow caterpillar like this one before. Blue net. Lovely. And for the last segment, we can do purple. Brilliant. It's my favourite colour. Excellent. And we're done. Say hello to your gorgeous rainbow caterpillar. Doesn't he look lovely? Hey kids, how are you today? Would you like to draw and paint a sparkly squirrel with me? You would? Brilliant! We'll start by using a black pen to draw the outline. I'm going to do a foot and the leg, the arm, fingers, tummy, Squirrel's holding a nut, so we draw that too. The other foot. Facial features. The eye, nose and mouth. The other ear. And finally, a big bushy tail. That's right, we've got to have a big bushy tail on a squirrel. Curvy lines. And done! Brilliant! Time to paint. Let's go with yellow first of all. We're going to paint our squirrel lovely and yellow. Look at that. I do say, Mr. Squirrel, it looks fantastic with your blue eyes. Carefully painting with a small tipped paintbrush in between the black boundary lines. Painting the main body, so that's the face, the ears, the arms, the back, the legs. And, of course, the feet. You're doing really well. Keep going. Almost there. Done! Going for gold. The inside of the ear, around the mouth, and, of course, the nut. Let's do the tummy the same colour too. Excellent. Going for black this time. We're going to paint the nose. And then brown for the nutshell. Time for a colourful tail, starting with pink for the first segment. Our squirrel has a lovely stripy tail. Yes, what next? How about purple? I love purple. And purple and pink are like brother and sister, you know. They just go so well together. And done! Last but not least, we're going for bright green because it's really good to have some contrast, don't you think? Excellent! Well done, kids. You did a great job. Go on, go along and eat that nut. Yummy!
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art.